Welcome back to our quiz time, and the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 63. The first question, what is C in Chinese? We have A, 海, B, 麦, C, 当, D, 沙漠. I will give you time to think first. Hai is sea, Mai is weak, Tang is wild, Shamo is desert. C in Chinese is A, 海, 海. The next question, what is don't in Chinese? We have A, 时间, B, 别, C, 目的, D, 在. I will explain it later. 时间 is time, 别 is don't, 目的 is goals, 在 is again. So don't in Chinese is B, 别, 别. The next one, what is with in Chinese? We have A, 海, B, 目的, C, 麦, D, 时间. Is it A, B, C, or D? 海 is C, 目的 is goals, 麦 is with, 时间 is time. With in Chinese is C, 麦, 麦. Another question here. What is again in Chinese? We have A, 沙漠, B, 别, C, 当, D, 在. Is it A, B, C, or D? 沙漠 is desert, 别 is don't, 当 is wild, 在 is again. So again in Chinese is D, 在, 在. Let's move on to the next question. What is goals in Chinese? A, 时间, B, 在, C, 沙漠, D, 目的. Which one do you think is the right answer? 时间 is time, 在 is again, 沙漠 is desert, 目的 is goals. And the right answer for this question is D, 目的, 目的. Moving on to the next one. What is while in Chinese? A, 别, B, 麦, C, 当, D, 海. Which one do you think is the correct answer? 别 is don't, 麦 is with, 当 is while, 海 is sea. And the correct answer for this question is C, 当, 当. Moving on to another question here. What is time in Chinese? A, 当, B, 时间, C, 海, D, 在. Which one do you think is the right one, guys? 当 is while, 时间 is time, 海 is sea, 在 is again. And B is the right answer for this question. 时间, 时间. And finally, guys, the last question for today. What is desert in Chinese? A. 沙漠 B. 别 C. 麦 D. 墓地 Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? 沙漠 is desert, 别 is don't, 麦 is wheat, 墓地 is goals. And A is the correct answer for this question. 沙漠, 沙漠. And that's all, guys, for today's quiz. I'll see you guys again on our next lesson. And good job!